Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will open the second of the two off-canvas stained glass lighthouse kits I bought from Skryuie on Amazon in March 2026. I bought these two kits for a friend. She's going to keep one and give one to her friend. The pattern. Let's look at the stained glass lighthouse from Skryuie. I bought the kit in March 2026 for $9.99. This off-canvas kit is 19 centimeters by 19 centimeters or 7.4 inches by 7.4 inches. There are 14 colors in this fun stained glass lighthouse kit. The diamonds are a fun mix of crystals and special diamonds. There are no DMC equivalents listed. The kit includes a green tray for your diamonds, a pink stylus pen to pick them up, a red wax square to stick the gems to the pen, and a chain and a hanger to hang the completed lighthouse. This kit also includes a stand to use if you don't want to hang it in the window. I finished this kit in about 2.5 hours in April of 2026. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. This is a beautiful off-canvas project that sparkles in the sun. I recommend this kit and I will look for more like it. It's a good choice when you're looking for a quick project that doesn't need a frame. I hope you're having lots of diamond painting adventures this spring. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.